Samsung S4 Galaxy, replacing the charging port. First, take the back cover off. So you take the cover off, and this is what it looks like. There's a few screws that we will take off here. So there's these guys, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and just a few up there. And remove the battery. Okay, once when you have all your screws removed, you just kind of pry along the side of the edge here and there, and then just be very careful, and then it will look, it should come off. So once when it's off, it should look like this, just like this. Here's the piece that I took off, and what will be taken off is, starting from right here, we will go up this side and then go up here. We will remove this piece. Okay, so now you want to remove this piece next. So when the piece is off, it looks like that. You'll need to reuse that piece. Once when that piece is off, you want to remove these little things right here. That one comes off there, and then you want to move this one, right? Remove them so they're loose. After you got those pieces loose down here, you want to remove this little plastic here. Let me see if I can get my fingers. They come apart, and we want it. We're going to replace the bottom one. The bottom one runs along there and connects to here. So I got the old one off, and that's right here. It's a little sticky here. It has a sticky back, so it's a little hard to get off. But see how this other piece of wires here, it's from underneath. You do not want to remove that. And here is the new piece that I'm going to be putting in. Okay, once when you put the new piece in, make sure that this is on tight, that it clicks, and then there's another place where you have to snap it on. And yeah, snap these little things back on. Just do the work all backwards again when you put the new pieces in. Okay, make sure all the sides are snapped in together before you put the screws on, where it's nice and tight along the sides. There's no gaps. Once when that's done, you can put the screws in. Okay, screws are all in. Now we will put the battery in. There's the little red light there showing that it's charging, and I'll turn the phone on to see if the battery shows its charging status. And let's let it get focused. There's the little lightning bar on the battery. Kind of shut off real quick. Let's just slide it across. There we go, 64%. And the reason I changed it is because my phone had a little water spill down by the charging port. The fix was simple, it was easy, it was fun, anyone can do it. No special tools really needed, just a little screwdriver set.